Hey everybody, my name is Martin. I'm going to show you, I'm the ironing mentor. What I do is I show people how to iron their clothes so they can save thousands of dollars on their dry cleaning bill by not always ironing clothes, by not always putting their clothes in the cleaners. So learn how to iron our pants. So very obviously, these are pants are wrinkled. You see the wrinkles in the pants? And what I'm going to do is show you how I get rid of the wrinkles. First thing I do, more sign into my channel. We got everything from, first let me just show you how. The reason I'm teaching you how to do this is because when I was younger, I went to an all-guy high school. So I had to have my shirt pressed, couldn't have a lot of wrinkles, and my pants had to be pressed. So my grandmother taught me how to iron. So when she was too tired or she wasn't home, I could put the plug, I have my iron here. At least iron the clothes decently well, where they don't send you home. Hey, I went to Vermont High School, they divorced, all-guy high school. So I'm dressing up for a whole bunch of guys. And guess where I ended up living for a while? San Francisco. Hey, I'm old school, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm old school. You know what I'm talking about? San Francisco. Was it Castro? So I had to learn how to do my own ironing. So this is how first thing I do. This is the equipment you need to iron. First, you need to iron. You need something to iron, those pants. That's the ironing. What I do first before I start ironing, I got to get the ironing board out. It takes me about a day to do that. Then once I get it set up, I can knock this out tonight if I want it. But since I'm recording, I'm trying to be a little bit more professional, give you more detail. It's how I start off to build my confidence also. Even though I'm an expert ironer, I need to build my confidence. So I go back, try to find some of the past look. Try to find some of the past creases. I line up all the creases. Just the one side. Go through. I line up all the creases on the other side. And then I'll open up the pants even. So to prove to you these pants are wrinkled. And we're going to iron them. And then I do that. It's because when I iron all the stuff. I'll iron the outside. Then during my ironing part, I'll pull it back up. Iron on the inside, so you can get the inside and the outside. I'm trying to get all the creases, because you want to get all the creases even in the front and back. Still working on mastering that. Mostly you want to get rid of the wrinkles, have some decent creases, but not whatever creases, but not a hang. Then I'll flip the pants over, line up, iron, get rid of the wrinkles, open up the pants again, and so I'll iron the leg portion first, then I'll flip it over where the legs hang over the side of the ironing board, so you see the leg on out, and then I'll hit the butt section. Oh yeah, that's a little teach you how to sew soon too. One thing at a time though. So take that lesson, go get ready, and then tomorrow we'll do some ironing.